Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our platform. So on Facebook we are Basic Math page. On YouTube we are Basic Math Academy. So you want to join us on our various platforms, and you're not going to miss any video that we are to upload. So yes, this is a new year 2022, so new beginning. Okay, so I want us here to look at the very first topic of the term. All right, so here guys, today I'm bringing you the number patterns. Right, so I'm bringing you number patterns here, the sequence and series. Okay, today, right, on this particular video I want us to look at the arithmetic sequence. Okay, arithmetic sequence. Of course, we have other sequences such as the geometric and the quadratic sequence, but here on this video today we are going to look at the arithmetic sequence. It is denoted by this formula: Tn is equal to a plus bracket and minus 1 close bracket d. Okay, so we have an example here of the arithmetic sequence. Okay, so 3, 7, 11, 15 and up to 99. How do we know that this is the arithmetic sequence? Okay, I just said this is the arithmetic sequence, but how do I know? Right, so I know that this is the arithmetic sequence by if I am given this formula. By this formula, right, I can conclude that this sequence is arithmetic, or by finding, right, okay, if it is given, or I must find it myself, the common difference. Okay, so let us look at what is written here. Look at this. We have T1 is equal to 3. If we look at this sequence here, we have 3, 7, 11, 15 up to 99. What is T1? The first term, right? So T1 stands for the first term. So T1 is 3, and T2 here is the 7, and so forth. T3 would be the 11 here. Okay, so the question is, how do I know, right? So the second answer is by determining or finding or calculating the common difference. So how do you calculate this common difference? Okay, by subtracting. Okay, so the difference here stands for this subtraction sign. Okay, so I'm taking the second term, which is 7, subtracting the first term, which is 3. Okay, because it's a common difference, so the same answer, okay, should be applicable for T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3. So I hope you understand this is how easy it is. Okay, so right now, yes, we can just try to find, right, to prove, okay, whether this is an arithmetic sequence, all right, by calculating the common difference. Okay, let's just try and calculate the common difference. D, okay, is T2 minus T1. So T2 is 7 minus the 3. Okay, so you subtract 3 from 7, we get a 4. All right, let's just see whether the same applies for T3 minus T2. So T3 is term number 3, which is 11. Okay, so 11 subtracting 7. So if you subtract 7 from 11, we're gonna get a 4. Okay, So let us do it one more time. All right. Look at T4. T4. So T4 is the term number for 1. Okay, let's come back here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 15. You subtract 11, right? So we still get the same answer. So this tells us that this sequence here is the arithmetic sequence because we have the common difference. Okay, just by doing that we have the common difference. Don't confuse it with the quadratic. Okay, you get it from, subtracting the terms that you are given. Okay, getting it from these terms. If you subtract these terms exactly, okay, no need to go a step down, just like in the quadratic. So this is how you get the common difference. Okay, what about the formula of the nth term? All right, so you need to know how to find the formula of the nth term. All right, so the formula, this is the formula. Okay, but we want to prove, okay, whether we get this from the formula. All right, we want to use it. Okay, even for other questions, let's try to find or calculate or determine the formula of the nth term. So what is it that we need? We need A and we need D. All right, so we must first get A and D. Okay, so what is A? What is A? What is A? So A is the first term. A is equal to T1. Right? I should have indicated here. Okay, you can see that is equal to T1. A is equal to T1. So A is 3, right? And D is the 4 that we calculated from here. So, and let us try to sub into our let's try to sub into our given formula, right? The standard formula of the arithmetic sequence. All right, so the formula is like this. Okay, let me bring it here. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, so we have Tn is equal to, we said that A is equal to the 3. Sorry, so I'm gonna put the 3 there, plus n minus 1. What is D? It's the 4. Okay, so D is the 4, and let us just do the math here. 3 plus, you multiply inside the bracket, okay, with the 4. We are going to get, let me start with the 1, okay, since we have a constant number here. 3 is constant, so let's just 4 times the negative 1. Okay, so I'm gonna get negative 4, right? Some say I'm gonna multiply in 4 times the n, so it's positive 4n, right? So I hope you guys are not confused by that. Now let us finish up everything here. What are we going to get? Let me bring the 4n here. Okay, the 4n, and you do the subtraction here, addition subtraction. 3 plus minus a 4, so we're going to get minus 1. Right, So oh, sorry, so Tn is equal to 4n minus 1. So this is generally the formula of the nth term. This is the formula of the nth term. So we can use this formula, all right? We can use this formula to prove each and every term given on this sequence. Okay, let's just prove that the first term is 3. Okay, how do we get the first term? We sub 1. You see, t1 is 3, t2 is 7. So we put n is equal to 1, n is equal to a2, n is equal to a3, n is equal to a4. Okay, so now t1 is equal to 4 times 1 minus the 1. So the answer is 4 times 1 subtracting 1, you get a 3. All right, so this is the answer. Now let us try being the t2, okay, and as all right, so 4 times 2 is 8 minus 1. Okay, we get a 7. All right, let us continue. Sub t3, okay, t3, so you're gonna do it like this. We put 3 subtracting 1. So what is the answer? 4 times 3 is a 12. 12 minus 1, it's a 11. Okay, let's do it for t4. Okay, so 4 times a 4 subtract 1. 4 times 4, 16. 16 minus 1, it's a 15. So this proves, okay, this formula gives us every single term that is here up to 15, but we don't know, okay, we don't know what term is 99. Okay, we don't know what term is 99. Which term? What term is 99? We do not know. Okay, we do not know. So we want to know what term is 99. All right, so that's what we want to do right now. So I hope you guys you're understanding everything I'm doing right here. I hope you guys are not lost. So sorry, let us try to find out what term is 99. So you guys have seen that we have 99 here. All right, we don't know the terms in between here. There are some terms missing out, but we have 99. All right, so let us write the formula of the nth term. So the formula of the nth term is 4n minus 1. So as you guys have seen that, for example, t1 is 4 times 1 minus 1. So we did something like this. We got 4 minus 1, and the answer is 3. All right, so we want to work in the reverse way. Okay, let us work in the reverse, so to get what term is 99. All right, so I don't want to confuse you. You see that we can put t1 here, t1 here. T1 is 3. So let us take it back. We take the 3, okay, and sub it where it is t1. So 3 is equal to 4, but we don't sub n, right? Let's just say we do not know, okay, what term number is the 3, so we just leave it as it is like that. Okay, so let's do the math. We sub 1, from both sides. We add 1, sorry, because since it's negative, we add 1 from both sides. Or you transpose this negative to this side of the equal sign. You're going to get it as a positive. It's equal to 4n. So this is 4, sorry, this is 4 is equal to 4n. We divide by 4 on both sides, right? So this 4 and 4 divides, remainder is 1. 1 times n. 4 divided by 4, we get 1. So it tells us that when we sub 3, we get 1. So 3 is term number 1. Okay, now let us try to get 99. We don't know what term is 99. What term is 99 on? Which term? Okay, because we see that 3 is term number 1. So let us now sub 99 where we subbed the 3. Okay, let's put 99 on Tn. 99 is equal to 4n subtract 1. Alright, we are going to do the same step, applying the same step as we did here. We transpose the 1. So 99 plus the 1 is equal to 4n. Alright, so we get 100 is equal to 4n. Okay, so we divide both sides by a 4. Okay, when you divide 100 by 4, what do you get? 25. Okay, and these 4 divides each other, and the remainder is 1. 1 times n is n. So 99 is equal to term number 25. Okay, so 99 is our term number 25, which means now if I am going to sub 25, okay, where there is n, right? If I'm going to take it the formula of the nth term as it is, okay, and sub here where there is n 25, I am going to get what? I'm going to get 99. Let's do that. Sub T25, so 4n is 25, subtract 1. Okay, so what do you get? 4 times 25, that is 100. Okay, subtract 1. You subtract 1. So 100, you subtract 1, you get 99. So this is how we do it. Okay, this is how we do it. A question, could be like this: what is term number? Since look at this, 1 2 3 4. Okay, we know 1 2 3 4, but we don't know 5 6 7, and since now we know 99, we don't know 98. Okay, what term is in 90? Okay, we know 98, it's term number 24 going down, but what about term number okay, what is the number? Okay, what is the number in T, let's say T16? Okay, let's just give an example like that. What is T16? Okay, T25, we know it's 99. What is T16? what is T16 equals to. So it is easy, we don't change the format, we do it like as we have done here. T16, right? So T16 is 4 times 16, right? Subtract the 1. So 4 times 16, all right, there's 64, right? Subtracting the 1, so we get 63. Okay, so this is how we do it, guys. This is how we do it, which means that the term number 16, the answer is 63. Okay, so this is how it is done. All right, so let us look at another example. Let us look at another example. So this is the basic, okay, this is the basic way of solving the arithmetic problems. This is the basic way of solving the arithmetic problems. The basic way. Of course, there is more. So right now I want us to look at the following. Okay, so what if we have something like this? What if we have something like this? 3x. Okay, what if we have something like this? 3x minus 1. Okay, 3x minus 1. 5x minus 2. All right, and lastly we have 4x plus a3. All right, so you are told that this is the arithmetic sequence. Okay, so this is the arithmetic sequence. So can we prove that is the arithmetic sequence? Yes, we can. But now let us first try to calculate, okay, or determine the value of x, right? If we are told that is the arithmetic sequence, right? So what you need to do is to find the common difference. Find the common difference. Okay, so how do you find the common difference? I said that you need to subtract, okay, the where is the previous? Okay, let me grab the papers so to show what I have said before. Look at this. The common difference, I said you subtract T1 from T2, T2 from T3, T3 from T4. Okay, so we do the same here. So I mean, take note of these semicolons here. Okay, it means that 3x minus 1 is term 1, 5x minus 2 is term 2. This is T1, T2, T3. So we only have 3 terms, I mean, for this sequence, right? So how do we do it? We follow the same example as here. So T2 is 5x minus 2. Okay, I'm going to use brackets so that I don't get confused. Subtracting T1. T1 is, I'm going to use the brackets again. 3x minus 1. Okay, so I should get an answer. This is T2 minus T1. Let us try. 5x minus 2. So you need to, distribute inside the brackets the negative. Okay, negative times positive, so we're gonna get negative 3x. Okay, So negative times the negative, we get a positive 1. All right, so let us try to simplify this further. 5x minus 3x minus 2 plus a 1. All right, so I'm doing this, I'm being careful, all right. So d d, right? So here we have 5x minus 3x, so that is 2x, okay, negative 2 plus a 1, so it's a negative 1. Okay, so this is the common difference. Okay, this is the common difference, but we have not solved for x. We haven't solved x, we just found the common difference. Okay, so we know, okay, from this that the common difference, it's common because we get the same answer throughout. All right, so what we have done now is that t2 subtract t1 is the answer. So since it's a common difference, okay, we can find t3 minus t2. Since they have to be equal, then we equate them. All right, to solve for x, we need to equate the common difference since it's the same. Okay, let us try now to get it from t3 minus t2. Okay, what is t3? Is 4x plus 3. Okay, I'm using brackets so that I don't make mistakes easily. All right, so what is t2? T2 is 5x minus the 2. Okay, so 4x plus the 3, you distribute the negative inside, you get 5x plus the 2. All right, so let me arrange this as quickly as possible. Plus 3 plus a 2. Okay, what do you get from this? We receive negative x, right, plus a 5. Okay, so d, all right, so this is d, and this is what we get. We know that this d and that d are equal, they are common diff, so we can equate them. D is equal to d. D is equal to d. It means that 2x minus 1 is equal to negative x plus a 5. Right? So see how easy this is. So right now I'm going to simplify this as much as possible. Okay, 2x plus x is equal to 5 plus the 1. Okay, so arranging these accordingly, what you get on the left hand side of the equal sign, we get 3x is equal to a 6. Okay, that is obvious. We divide by the 3 in order to remove it. Okay, then we remain with 1x is equal to a 2. So this is the answer. Okay, x is equal to a 2. So now what do you do? Okay, so here we were solving for x, right? We were solving for x. What are we supposed to do now? So what we are going to do is to sub the 2. We're going to sub the 2 right where there is x. Okay, remember where there is x. So we were given this sequence at first, so where there is x, you sub 2. Sub 2. So it's 3 times 2 minus 1. Okay, 5 times 2 minus 2, and 4x, that is 4 times 2 plus the 3. Okay, so what is it that we get from here? What is it that we get from here is 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is A5. Okay, so this is 10 minus the 2, so we get 8. Okay, that is 8 plus 3. Okay, because 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3, then we have to get 11. Okay, so this is the sequence here of the arithmetic. Okay, arithmetic sequence, the arithmetic sequence. So if you're going to take this, get the common difference, that is 8 minus 5, or D is equal to 11 minus 8. What is it that we get? 8 minus 5, it's a 3. 11 minus 8, it's a 3. Okay, so this is easy. All right, nothing difficult here, guys. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, so we can solve the same questions, as these here. We can find the formula of the nth term, which what is the fifth term, which term is equal to this, and so forth. But if you have the basic, no matter how it may be, all right, you'll be able to solve this question. So guys, see you on the next video. So don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, that is Basic Math Academy, and follow us on Facebook, that is Basic Math page. So be on our platform so that every time a new video is posted, you guys are updated so that you'll be able to pass your exams. Thank you.